Kia ora tātou, ko kapa nui te maunga, ko waikanai te awa, ko raukawa te moana, ko whakarongotai te whare tūpuna, ko te atiawa ki whakarongotai te iwi, ko Luke tōku ingoa. My name is Luke. I am a community ranger for Te Papa Atawhai, or the Department of Conservation, specifically a iwi treaty implementation ranger. I got into this line of work just from being interested in the outdoors as a young kid. My dad was pretty proactive in getting us out there, surfing, mountain biking, fishing with mum, and collecting pipi and tuatua on the beach. So all those activities I did through a te ao Māori lens, and that sort of naturally progressed into a role with Department of Conservation as a treaty ranger for them, helping them stick to their obligations to the principles of the Treaty of Waitangi. So now I'm here in this role, doing what I do in conservation. Kia ora.